The price of gold is down for the third week in a row. It fell 0.6% for the week, to be exact. Now, analysts say lots of positive U.S. economic data is weighing on the gold price. But our next guest says that gold is poised to surge, and big time. David Bleeden is the head trader for metals.com. Good to have you on the show with us, David. David, we've had quite a bit of political uncertainty this week, from domestic politics, the potential of impeachment, to Iran, to the president now reportedly upping the ante in the China trade talks, reportedly looking at limiting U.S. investment. Reflected this week. Now, granted, David, gold is up for the year, but spot gold down for the week. It did earlier even break below the 1,500 level. Why is gold not really rallying on these developments this week?
Well, gold has been going up quite a bit over the last 10 years. It's up 500%. So, gold, it's traded. It follows spot prices, which it's a traded commodity, so it goes up and down. But over time, gold has gone up 10.8% since recorded history. And in the last 10 years, according to Yahoo Finance, it's been up about 19%. And that's because people are scared to death about this world of digital money, fiat currency.
All right. So what is your outlook? You seem very bullish, even though gold didn't respond to the latest geopolitical developments. But to your point, it certainly has had a solid rise. Where do you think it's going?
Well, as long as the Fed keeps printing money, and yesterday they printed $100 billion in new money, and they've been printing $50 billion to $100 billion a day to repurchase securities. As long as they keep creating digital money that has no ties to reality, gold's going to go up. It's baked into the formula.
All right, David, but what is the justification behind gold being a safe haven? We know that it's considered a safe haven, but we've dropped the gold standard. Gold is being used less and less for industrial purposes. So where is the actual intrinsic value in gold here? I mean, is it mostly that we've assigned a value to it?
Gold's a very unique material and unique in the world. Some say even in the universe. So, countries have come and gone. Currencies have come and gone. Wars have been fought over gold. So gold's been the one thing that's been tradable for goods and services since the Sumerian Empire.
Why is that, especially now as we're seeing it used less and less for industrial purposes? Is it really just mainly a man-made construct that gold is valuable?
Well, a lot of people say gold is actually not even indigenous to Earth, that it comes from meteorites. So, I'm not probably qualified to speculate, but all I can say is that gold has been around. It's been a form of trade since the beginning of time, and it continues to be a form of trade. Right now, the biggest hedge funds, so some of the most, certainly the most best performing hedge funds, like Crescent Capital out of Colorado, they're actually believe that the trade of the century is getting out of stocks and getting into gold. Central banks are moving their reserves into gold.
David,
so I would ask
thank you so much for your outlook. We're out of time, unfortunately. Thank you so much, David Bleeden, head trader for metals.com.